The latest news just breaking on India Today right now. Congress has mocked the new Parliament building foundation stone ceremony. Congress leader Javier Shergill says in a tweet that laying the foundation stone of a new Parliament building at a time when farmers are protesting to save their basic thali is equivalent to playing DJ music inside a funeral ground. Surjewala has also said that the new Parliament building is trampling of democratic values. I want to go back to my colleague Poulomi. Poulomi, this is expected. It's happened, when the entire Central Vista project was decided as well. A lot of politics around it. The Congress now using this to attack the government.
Well, yes, the opposition, in fact, has been constantly questioning as to whether the Central Vista project and the kind of expenditure which is being made in order to bring this project into effect, is it needed at this point of time, especially at a time that the country is reeling from the impact of a pandemic. The country has been crippled altogether. Economics has taken a hit. Our health infrastructure wasn't prepared for the size of this pandemic, and so is still grappling with it and is trying to, build itself up almost from basic since the pandemic hit the country. So clearly there are much bigger priorities is what the opposition is saying. The building behind me, which will be constructed if given permission by the Supreme Court in the space of the next 2 years, as the government estimates, is going to cost about 971 crore alone. Then, of course, like I said, you are going to refurbish and change the whole look of Rajpath, the 3-kilometer stretch from Rashtrapati Bhavan to India Gate. Then, of course, moving the Prime Minister's residence closer, moving the Vice President's residence closer, the Common Secretariat that you're building for all of the ministries to function from a particular place. It's going to cost a lot, in thousands of crores, and that is an expenditure which the government is also having to explain in court as those petitions are being heard.
All right, Poulomi, stay on with me. Let's listen into Javier Shergill from the Congress, who just tweeted out.
Rules regulation does not believe in taking the opposition into the confidence. What is the point of making a new parliamentary building? This is nothing but just an ego exercise of the arrogant BJP government, which is intoxicated.
Right, okay, so that's Javier Shergill. Now, there was a concerted attack by the Congress on the government, primarily the latest one where Javier Shergill from Punjab of the Congress says that this is mocking the farmer protest. There are farmers who are trying to protect their basic thali, is what he said in his tweet, while the government is in what he says is an obscene exercise. Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.